Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us once again. And we've mentioned it before. We mentioned it last time, but still want to mention there's this great book that a number of the recipes, in fact, I think all the recipes just about this month are coming from this book. And so if folks want to get it, it's still available.
It is. And it's a 35-page book, and so I thought it's fun to try some of the other recipes that are in this book to kind of showcase what they are. This particular one is a silky lemon tofu pudding.
Okay.
It will remind you, lemon gives us that freshness for spring and summer that we like. And it only has 2 ingredients, Chris. So a great ingredient, easy for summer to make. We're using it calls to use the blender, but I kind of like using my food processor too.
Okay.
So it makes it easy to mix together. So you have 1 package of firm tofu, and we've drained the water off of it. I like to use the silken tofu too, and you can see how soft that is. Okay, so we're going to put that right in here. Okay. I'll let you do that. And then the only other ingredient that this recipe calls for is a jar of lemon curd. And this isn't lemon pie filling. It is what they call lemon curd, but you can see that it's like a pudding mixture already, the filling that we're going to use. We're going to put that in here with that, and we're going to use 1 whole jar. Now, I think in the recipe, they said a 10-ounce jar, and I think I found a 9-ounce jar is what we had available in Topeka. So either one will work, whichever that you can find. Okay, there's that, and that's all there is to it. We'll put the lid on, and this would be another great recipe for kids because we're going to make it into our parfait glasses, and they'll have fun doing that. This food processor, I just use the chop and the grind, which just mixes it, goes both directions. And you want to do it until it's nice and smooth.
Okay.
Doesn't take very long. How does that look?
No, it's looking pretty good so far.
And if you wanted to, during halfway through it, you could take your scraper and go around the sides just to make sure that it was all done. Because I can see we have just a little bit. But we're going to go ahead so that we can show how to do it. And what we're going to do now is to put some of this into our serving bowl. Okay. It's ready to go. And you could chill this ahead of time if you wanted to. You could layer it with the fresh raspberries is what it suggests. And then I've really done a couple of ways here that we could serve it to show over here. We have it in our dessert dish like this. And then also I thought it might be fun to do kind of a parfait where you did the raspberries and the fruit and then top it off with just a little mint. And you have a perfect summer dessert that's easy to do.
Super easy to do. So I like super easy because being appliances or anything else can be hazardous. So this is another fantastic recipe. As you mentioned too, keeping the kids active this summer is also important. If they're busy, they're not out, doing things they probably shouldn't be doing, you know where they are.
That's right.
If folks want this recipe or any of the other ones, where can they go?
They should go to kansassoybeans.org, or they can call the 800 number 877-KS Soybean. Ask for the July recipes. And then I might just mention this is really a healthy dessert. We've got the soy protein in there from the tofu, and so you're going to have a delicious, nutritious dessert.
Perfect. Charlene, thank you. And of course, this will be up on our website as well, KOAMNewsNow.com. We will be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.